Hey everyone! Today I'm breaking down the 4 stages of a wish order so you know exactly what to expect before you hit buy. Let's dive in. 1. The browsing trap. First up, the search. Wish doesn't use a traditional search bar. It uses an algorithm to show you things it thinks you will want. So the photos are professional, but the prices are impossible. If you see a $500 drone for $12, remember, you're likely getting a toy or just a spare battery. Always read the item description. The title is often just a string of keywords. 2. Shipping weight. Most items ship directly from manufacturers in China. While Wish Express can get to you in a week, standard shipping can take 21 to 45 days. Pro tip: use the tracking feature in the app. But don't panic if it doesn't update for a week while it's crossing the ocean. It's usually normal. 3. Unboxing. So when your package finally arrives, there might be a contrast between expectation and reality. And for example, clothing is the biggest gamble. A large in Asia is often a small in the US, and fabrics are usually thinner than they look online. However, for small electronics, phone cases, and kitchen gadgets, the quality is surprisingly decent for the price. 4. Refunds and customer support. If your item shows up broken or looks nothing like the photo, Wish Buyer Guarantee is actually your best friend. Right now, their AI bot, which is Wish Assistant, handles most returns instantly. If an item is late or significantly different, you can usually get a full refund in just a few clicks. It's the safety net that keeps people coming back. So, Wish is perfect for things you don't need urgently. And that's pretty much it. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.